In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove the background here in Sketchbook. This is super useful if you want to export PNG stickers, logos, or layer your art on another background. Let's begin. Now, when you open Sketchbook, there isn't a dedicated tool to remove the background like in Photoshop or in Canva. Instead, what we need to do is manually remove the background itself. So for us to be able to do that, select the image that you wanted to remove the background. In my case, I have this image. All I have to do is press the option here that says select. This is the select tool. I'm going to select the image, and there is going to be an option or a tool here that says wand or magic wand. What it does is that it selects the area that you wanted to remove. In my case, I want to remove the bluish background or the gray area here on my image. After selecting that, you will see that there is like an active grid. All I have to do is press delete and the background has been removed. It's super simple, right? So you can choose again the area that you wanted to delete. For example, this one, you can do this manually. Since again, as I've mentioned, there is no dedicated option or dedicated tool to remove the background here in Sketchbook like what you are used to in Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or Canva. Now, once you are happy, okay, click the file. If you want to save it as a different file, you can do so. Or if you want to adjust the image, rotate, mirror, flip, you can do so. You have multiple options from here. Let's say I wanted to remove the background of another image right here beside my first image. So I'm going to do that. Press the wand, select the area that you wanted to delete, and press the delete option. And basically that's how you remove background in Sketchbook. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.